So this is LED strip, and the voltage is 24 volt, and this is waterproof, right? The color is a white color. And this is the power supply for this. So LEDs I'm gonna use for DC 24 voltage. So the power supply has to be 24 volt. Right, it's a pretty simple. So the input is 100 to 265 volt AC, and the output is a DC 8 ampere. So made in China. So most of the things is we get from the China. I'm going to test with this. Right, this is, it's feel a little bit small. Just let me try with this. So here's the input. We have to be make sure that this is the input. So live, a neutral, and a ground. And here's the output. So 2 positive and 2 negative. So before we plug into LED, I'm going to plug the power point first. So this is power point. I'm going to plug in here, and this side is live. So the input, this is live and neutral and a ground. So live, neutral, and ground. And I'm going to plug to the plug point, which is 240 volt. So before that, I'm going to turn on the power. So make sure everything is correct. So we can see this LED light is turning on, and I'm going to test the voltage with digital multimeter. So just to make sure that my power supply is work, so select to the DC voltage. Here's the DC voltage. You can use any brand. So I'm going to test the output. So the output here is a positive and negative. So I get 24 voltage here, positive, negative, and 2 positive and 2 negative. Alright, so this power supply is good. If you want to test the input, it's not necessary to test the input, because since we have the output, that means the input is definitely half, so no necessary. But in case if you want to test the input voltage, then you can test from the AC voltage mode, which is here. Right, so the AC voltage mode, and just live and neutral. Then I get my input is 245 voltage. Right, so I'm going to turn off the power supply first. Make sure we turn off. Then we try to then turn off the multimeter. And here's the LED. I'm going to make LED. One side is, so we have 2 output, which is 2 positive and 2 negative. So you can just use either 1 positive this side and 1 negative here, or 1 positive here and 1 negative here. So it's not necessary you must use all the positive 2. You can just use either one, right? So the LED, it must be 24 volt. So the LED also may mention here is 24 volt. So let me turn on the LED. Wow. So LED is also quite bright here. Alright, so this is how the way you're gonna test with your LED strip. Alright, so I'm gonna install this to my house. Right, this is 10 meter long. Alright, I hope this video will help for someone, and thank you for watching my video.